Alrighty, here, so we got a Yale lever, Yale cylinder. Looks like Y1 is going to be the Keyway. You're going to take the plastic cylinder off. It's going to come off the lever the way a normal one would, where you have the key, you turn, push the detent, it comes right out. Then you're going to have the clip, like so, on the back. Just remove that with a screwdriver. So, tailpiece will then not actually come off, but it's just going to allow the cylinder to come out. So don't expect the tailpiece to come off. You want to use a follower or something like so to go ahead and follow that through. Just like so. Perfect. And see what that does. Put your new pins in. So everything's nice and even. And that 5 is still sticking out too high. Try that. There we go. We'll go ahead and reinstall the cylinder.